In India, car makers are now experiencing a rise in demand for their cars since the production has resumed post lockdown. However, their overall sales are still falling short of more than 50% when compared with last year's data. While Alto 800 topping the sales chart for the month of June 2020 by selling 7,298 units, which is however 61% lesser than the number of units sold in June 2019. The next-gen Hyundai Creta 2020 holds the second spot by witnessing a sales of 7,207 units in June 2020, which is 13.5% less than its sales figure in June 2019. Kia Seltos made it to the third spot by selling 7,114 units, which is just 93 units less than 2020 Creta, 142 units less than Kia Seltos. Maruti Suzuki WagonR holds the fourth position by selling 6,972 units, which is 31.8% lower than June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Dzire 5th spot, 5,834 units, which is 60.8% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza 6th spot, 4,542 units, which is 48.8% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Baleno 7th spot, 4,300 units in June 2020, which is 68.6% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Celerio 8th spot, 4,145 units in June 2020, which is 14.9% lower than that of June 2019. Hyundai Venue 9th spot, 4,129 units in June 2020, which is 52.9% lower than that of June 2019. Tata Tiago 10th spot, 4,069 units in June 2020, which is 26.5% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Swift 11th position, 4,013 units in June 2020, which is 75.4% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Eco 12th position, 3,803 units in June 2020, which is 59% lower than that of June 2019. Hyundai Grand i10 13th position, 3,593 units in June 2020, which is 48% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga 14th position, 3,306 units in June 2020, which is 53.6% lower than that of June 2019. Mahindra Bolero 15th spot, 3,292 units in June 2020, which is 35.7% lower than that of June 2019. Maruti Suzuki Espresso 3,160 units in June 2020. Tata Altroz 3,104 units in June 2020. Tata Nexon 18th spot, 3,040 units in June 2020, which is 27.1% lower than that of June 2019. Hyundai Elite i20 19th spot, 2,718 units in June 2020, which is 70.7% lower than that of June 2019. Mahindra Scorpio 20th position, 2,574 units in June 2020, which is 16.2% lower than that of June 2019. Out of the top 20 best-selling cars for June 2020, 10 cars are of Maruti Suzuki, making it the best-selling car brand for the month of June 2020. Maruti Suzuki managed to sell 51,274 units in the month of June 2020, especially due to these top 10 selling cars, while cars like Ignis, XL6, Ciaz and Gypsy performed mediocre. And Nexa was unable to sell even a single unit of S-Cross, probably because the BS6 petrol S-Cross launch is around corner. As usual, it was the Hyundai which grabbed the second position in terms of sale by selling 21,320 units and holding 18.23% market share for the month of June 2020. Creta, Venue, Grand i10 and Elite i20 were major contributors, grabbing positions in top 20 best-selling cars of June 2020, whereas Santro, Verna and Aura contributed too, while Tucson, Kona Electric and Elantra underperformed. Tata Motors became the number 3 best-selling car maker in June 2020 by selling 11,419 units, capturing 9.77% market share. Is it the Tiago facelift, Nexon facelift and Altroz effect, or is it the vocal for local movement? Apart from these, even the Harrier performed quite well, but still was overshadowed by MG Hector, as MG managed to sell Hector 3 times more than Harrier. XUV 300 along with Mahindra's two workhorses, Scorpio and Bolero, majorly contributed to Mahindra's sale, bringing it to the 4th spot. 7,959 units, 6.81% market share. Deserving XUV 500's sales figure was quite unimpressive, while Mahindra was unable to sell even a single unit of TUV 300, Thar and Altroz G4. Kia Motors is at number 5, which is quite amusing as these numbers are due to only 2 SUVs in their stable. By selling 4,634 units in June 2020, Renault grabbed the 6th position in terms of sales and holding 3.96% market share. Renault has lost its position in the compact SUV segment as both Duster and Captur are recently experiencing poor sales. While Renault Kwid, along with new entrant Triber, is making Renault proud as they are the major contributors. Innova, Glanza and Fortuner contributing well made Toyota number 7 in terms of sale in the month of June 2020. While Yaris, Camry and Wellfire experienced low sale. Okay, to some extent, the sale of Wellfire was somewhat impressive considering its exorbitant price. Number 8, Ford India, same old story, EcoSport and Endeavour, major players for Ford. While Aspire, Freestyle and Figo giving their contribution in a combined manner. Morris Garages number 9, 2012 units, out of which 1867 units are of Hector. Number 10, Volkswagen, 1510 units, resulting majorly due to Polo. Honda has been worse hit, falling straight down to number 11th position because two of its major contributors, City and Amaze, underperformed. Number 12, Skoda, 790 units, relying solely on Rapid's performance. Number 13, Datsun, 506 units. Number 14, Jeep, 256 units, 246 units Compass and 10 units Wrangler. Nissan comes last in terms of sales, which is only left with Kicks and GTR in its portfolio in the BS6 era. So guys, I hope my video was informative. So do like, share and subscribe as a support from your side. That's all for now. I'll see you soon with a new video.